Welcome back to the Different channel. My name is Arshak. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram channel is Arshak underscore cool official underscore. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಫಿಸಿಯೋ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ HRBR ಲೇಔಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್.
हेलो नमस्कार एवरीवन, वेलकम टू फिजियोपैथ क्लिनिक. दिस इज लोकेटेड इन HBR लेआउट. तो अगर गाइस आपको कोई भी पेन, कोई भी दर्द हो तो इधर आप आके आपका इलाज करवा सकते हो. सो हियर यू गाइस हैव फ्री कंसल्टेशन. तो अगर आपको जो भी आपका प्रॉब्लम होगा आप डॉक्टर को बोलिए, आप कंसल्ट कीजिए एंड हियर आपको डायग्नोस जो है सब डॉक्टर करेंगे एंड दिल बी गिविंग अ ट्रीटमेंट. तो इधर आपका कंसल्टेशन फ्री है. यू कैन श्योरली विजिट. 100% आपको हम लोग गारंटी दे सकते हैं कि आपका पेन 15 डेज के अंदर ख़त्म हो सकता है इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, so this is the gym area that we have. In this area, we will be doing for the stretching, exercises, all these things will be done here. We have various equipments here for the weight training, for the cardio, we have a treadmill. Again, we have for strengthening and conditioning. And then coming to the robotic spinal decompression, this machine will help you in relieving the nerve pain that you have been suffering from. It is mainly for the cervical pain and the lumbar pain. So that is basically your neck pain and the low back pain that you are suffering from. So this machine has as you can see here, it depends upon where the exactly your problem is, what level you are having the problem. By that way, we can help you treat the exact root cause of your problem. So it is very particular, very specific to your problem. So it will help you a lot in relieving the back pain and the neck pain specifically. Again, we do have posture analysis. Here, if you have any problem with your posture, if there is any deviation, if there is anything that is not normal, we can detect it with that and then we can help you correct it with the exercises, stretching, and we can teach you a life modification that needs to be done. So this way you can live a pain-free life and you can actually help yourself. Then here we do have international machines. These are the pain relieving modalities. So basically this is an ultrasound which will help you in relieving the swelling that is present internally. Also we do have the current. This current helps you in relaxing the muscles. It helps in relieving your pain. This has various modes which are given according to your pain. Like if the pain is nerve pain, it will come as different current. If you are suffering from a muscle pain, it will come as a different current form of current. So to be specific, it is very specific to your problem. So it is the rehab protocol is designed according to each and every patient. It is tailored. So again, here we do have cupping. Cupping is done for relieving the muscle spasms that you have. So whenever you have a muscle spasm, we'll do this cupping and it will help in relieving the pain. This is very different from hijama. Hijama is done for purification of your blood, and hijama does not help in relieving the pain. But this helps because this is for your muscle pain. So that's the major difference that most of the people doesn't know. Again, we do have this needling therapy. In this needling therapy, these needles will be inserted. Don't worry, it's not painful at all. And this needles helps you if there is any if your muscle goes for tightness, there will be development of some knots in your muscles. So this helps in relieving those knots and thereby you're relieving your pain. Again, we do have other modalities which helps in relieving your pain. That is this is the shockwave modality. Don't worry, it won't give you any shock. So this modality will help you in relieving the pain. It is also a muscle relaxant. It will help release your muscles, release the tightness, spasm that is the main cause of your problem that you are suffering from. Also, the needle that we were giving, it has one stimulation. That stimulation is along with the application of the needle, we'll be giving current with it. Don't worry, it won't pain again, but it will definitely relieve your pain. Again, we do have ISTM. ISTM is used for relieving your muscles when ISTM is used for relieving your muscle when you have. It will give you some kind of redness, but it will definitely be relaxing your muscles. So there comes different tools of different shapes and sizes that are used to relieve those things. Don't go on its shape and size. It just looks like this, but it won't be that painful.
So thank you so much.
This is better.
This is really better. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.